There is a view of the engine showing A band and B band, and outside of the engine also. Here you can see the crankcase cover both opening on both A and B band. These covers are fitted with M12 19mm bolt, but over time vibration, repeated removal, and sometimes incorrect torque can damage the inner thread. When the thread straight, both cannot hold the torque, which may cause oil leak, loose cover, and unsafe engine running. Now we repaired it using Helicoil, a faster and stronger solution. Now there is the exact bolt hole. We are focusing on where the M12 thread is completely damaged and needs reinforcement. Here is the close inspection of the thread hole. You can clearly see where deformation and material loss inside the original thread bed. Now we begin the drilling process. Firstly, we need to cover with the masking tape to prevent sand cover going inside the wine stem. Select the correct Helicoil drill bit size for M12, slightly larger than the original diameter to remove the damaged thread fully. Keep the drill aligned perfectly straight. Misalignment may cause cross-threading later. After drilling, we clean the hole using the compressed air in short bursts, followed by magnetic picket to collect the remaining metal chips. This step is extremely important to protect the lubrication system from contamination. We tap the drill hole using the Helicoil special tap tool to get a fresh inner thread profile for the coil insert. After tapping, small metal fragments may remain around the surface, so we use a magnetic picket tool to remove all scratch. Even small metal pieces are dangerous for engine parts. There is the final tapping stage. Now the thread profile is smooth, accurate, and ready for Helicoil installation. Visually check the thread. There must no rock act, no debris, and no old damaged thread remaining. The tapping quality determines the strength and durability of your repair, so patience and alignments are key here. Here are the Helicoil case components, the stainless coil insert, the installation tools, and the temp break-off tools used after fitting. Now we install the Helicoil insert. Place the coil on the installation tools and rotate clockwise smoothly into the tap hole. Don't force it. Let the coil follow the thread naturally. We are using the thread lock type also. Continue standing and turn the insert side 0.5 to 1 full stand below the surface. Since Helicoil inserts are stainless steel, they provide higher torque holding strength, wear resistance, and durability under vibration and temperature cycles. Now the coils are adjusted delivered. We train the edges carefully using the cutting machine or the coil cutting tools from the kit. Check the depth again and to make sure the coil remaining properly seated and not deformed. Now we break off the Tang. Make sure the broken Tang is fully removed so the bolt pads stay clear. The M12 thread is now fully restored, reinforced and stronger than the original thread. This prevents one leak, keeps the cover secure and ensures safe engine operation even under long running hours. For watching. If this repair guide helped you, please like, share, subscribe and follow for more useful videos. Stay safe and keep learning.